Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be doing another review of the Filipinta beauty makeup brand. If you haven't seen my last video yet, I'm going to be linking it in the description box below. On my last video, I did a review of the Filipinta Beauty Cabal eyeshadow palette. This is what the palette looks like. It's pretty handy. It's an eyeshadow quad. And on this video, I'm going to be reviewing their Diwata collection. The Diwata collection comes with an eyeshadow palette as well as 2 lip glosses. Now, if you haven't heard about the brand before, I'll also link their website down below so you can read up more information about the brand. They are a Filipino-owned makeup brand that makes mineral-based makeup, 100% cruelty-free. This is what the palette looks like. I really like how they illustrated the packaging here with a picture of the Diwata in front. Comes with 9 shades, and I think the shades here would probably complement a lot of Filipino skin tones. I also like that the eyeshadow palette comes with its own mirror. Now, the lip glosses are the Maria Cacao lip gloss and the Maria Makiling lip gloss. I also tried this lip gloss on my last video. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get to try all of the shades here, so why don't we start off with some eyeshadow swatches. The set also comes with a cardboard insert with all of the shade names. I'm gonna be starting off with this shade right here. This is a brown matte shade called Anito. It's very pigmented. This is my Ari. And this is Hinilawod. Please don't ask me about the meaning of all the shade names. I'll try to research it and I'll link it on the description box. This is Diwata. And this is Berbinota. This is Encanto. Try that again. I'm going to be moving to the bottom row with all of the green shades. This is Acacia. Nimbus. And Lambana. I want to use all of the eyeshadow shades, so probably do like a predominantly green eyeshadow look here and then a predominantly brown / orange eyeshadow look on my other eye, just so we get to see how all of the shades look. For my transition shade, I'm going to be using this shade called Berbinota. And these shadows are very pigmented, so you don't really need to use a lot. A little goes a long way. And then I'm going to be layering it up with this burnt orange shade called my Ari. So still all over the crease. For my all over lip color, I'm going to be using this bright orange shade called Diwata. And then I'm going to be using the shade Encanto, and this time I'm just going to use my finger just to add some sparkle on the eye. And then to add a little bit of definition to the eye look, I'm going to be using this dark brown shade on the outer corner of the eye. For my lower lash line, I'm going back to the bright orange shade. And then I'm going back to this dark brown shade on the outer corner of my lower lash line. So for this side, I'm also going to be using the same transition shade. And then I'm going to be using this shade as my all-over lid color. To add a little more definition to the look, I'm going to be using this dark green shade called Acacia on the outer corner of my eye. And then to add a little bit of sparkle to the look, I'm going to be using this glittery green shade called Lambana. For my lower lash line, I'm going back to this dark green shade called Lambana. And then I'm just going back with a clean blending brush just to sweep away all of the harsh edges. And for my brow bone and inner corner highlight, I'm going to be using the shade called Hinilawod. And then I'm going to be using the same shade that I used for my brow bone highlight for my overall highlight. And then to finish off the look, I'm going to be using the Maria Cacao Lip Gloss. So this is the final look. I know it looks a little crazy because I'm wearing two different eye looks at the same time. But as far as the formula is concerned, I'm very happy with how all of the matte shades perform. They're all very blendable and they're very pigmented. The two satin or shimmer shades, I'm not too excited about because they're a little too subtle for my taste. The glitter shades, on the other hand, actually perform better compared to the glitter shade on the Cabal palette. Now for the lip gloss, I'm wearing the Maria Cacao lip gloss on my lip right now. I tried the Maria Makiling lip gloss together with the Dabal eyeshadow palette for my last review. I'm not a big fan of the shade, but the formulation is great. It glides on very smoothly, and for a lip gloss, it's actually, very opaque. So that's it for today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!